Do you live in rigidity? Or do you know somebody that does? Or are you around somebody? Is it somebody in your family, at work, a friend, who's very rigid? Rigidity is not a positive aspect of life. Rigidity is holding your space, protecting your space, and always making sure that you're thinking of the right answers to protect yourself when somebody else is talking. That's what rigidity is. I don't care, it's always been that way, and it's going to continue to be that way. Now let me point something out about rigidity. It creates resistance. Why? Because we live on Earth and we're part of a universe that only runs on energy. It's always organically in expansion, always in expansion. What happens when energy, organic, positive energy about expansion meets rigidity? Nothing happens except resistance. The person who's being rigid is digging in deeper to hold and protect their place in life because they don't know anything else. They're familiar with the safety that they feel and the rigidity that they live in, but they're working against everything in life when you're being rigid. Life is fluid, it's organic, like attracts like. When you learn to put out positive energy from inside, not by doing cheers and mindset and all of that, it comes from your heart. When you put that energy out, you attract more in. When you're rigid, all you're going to attract to you are other people that believe the same thing, and your connection with those other people is going to be your common belief in what makes both of you rigid. It's a very, very lonely place to live. Keep your eyes open for rigidity. Maybe people around you have it. Maybe somebody at work, maybe in your family, maybe socially. Get it out of your life, because if you're living with someone that's rigid, you're supporting it. You're helping protect them. You're agreeing with it. You're rigid. And when you're rigid, you're always going to be frustrated because you're always in resistance. How can you be happy when you're resisting everything? So I like to keep these videos short, give you some quick information. That way you'll come back and watch them again and know that you're going to get value. I'm going to give you value that can change your life. I am a results-oriented person. If you have any stress, overwhelm, anxiety, maybe judgment, fear, shame, blame, guilt, below there's a link for a report that I wrote. 3 steps to banish overwhelm, anxiety, and fear from your life and finally reach your true potential. There's a lot more information in that report like I've shared with you here. Please subscribe or leave a comment below. In fact, in the comments, leave a question of what you would like to hear about that's blocking you. I'll give you a direct answer to your question and help you out with that. I'm Bill Heinrich with True Life Purpose Now. Remember, we have come here to share our gifts with the world. I hope you do that today. Namaste.